Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this first chapter of class 9th mathematics, that is number system. So here I have a next question for you. Question is, find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So how would you solve this? You can solve it by the first method. By both the methods you can solve it, okay? But if you are trying it by the second one method, so it would be easy to solve it by the second one method. So I would try to solve this by the second one method, okay? So the second one method says that if you have to find out 5 rational number, it means 5 plus 1 would be 6. It means you are to multiply here also and here also by 6. Means numerator as well as the denominator, you have to multiply to the numerator as well as to the denominator by the 6. Similarly here also by this one 6, you would multiply this one numerator and this one denominator, okay? You would be getting how much? 6 3 ja 18 by 30, and how much? 6 4 ja 24 by 30. So on the basis of this you can find out the numbers greater than 18 are like greater than this would be. So if you see the number greater than 18 is 19. Yes, 19 by 30. Then you have 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30. Then you have 23 by 30, then 24 by 30. So these are the 5 rational numbers. So answer is 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. These are the 5 rational numbers between these two given numbers. Getting this? So just note it down. Then after I will be giving you a new sort of question, okay? If you have noted, let me move ahead now. So now the question is, just I am changing little bit here. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Now if you see here, the denominators are not same. Can you see? Denominators are not same. So if the denominators are not same, first you would have to make the denominators same by taking the LCM of 4 and 5, isn't it? So let me try it. You have 3 by, okay, first how many rational numbers we have to find out? 5. So you would be adding there 1. It means you have to multiply to the numerator as well as to the denominator by 6. But before this you would have to make the denominator same, okay? So first you have the fraction here 3 by 4, and then here you have the fraction that is 4 by 5. I would try to make the denominator same by taking the LCM of 4 and 5, that is 20. What is the LCM of 4 and 5? It is 20. So how would I make this 20? If I multiply it by 5, so upside also I would multiply by 5. Similarly here also, by to make it 20 I would multiply it by 4. So similarly I would multiply it upside by 4 also, okay? So I would be getting 3 5 ja 15 by 20, and here 4 4 ja 16 by 20, isn't it? So these are the two fractions. So between these two now you have to find out 5 rational numbers. So to find out the 5 rational number between these two given numbers, so you have to multiply the numerator and the denominator. This is the first step. This is the first step. This is the second step, okay? So in the second step you have to multiply again the numerator because the denominators are same, okay? Now we have to find out 5 rational number, okay? Now we have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by 6, okay? So this is the next step now. Here also multiply by 6, here also multiply by 6. So if you see 15 6 are 90 by 120, and here you see 16 6 are 96. You have 96 by 120. Now you can see 5 rational number between these. More than 90 is 91 by 120, 92 by 120, 93 by 120, 94 by 120, then you have 95 by 120, isn't it? So these are the 5 rational number between these two given number, or you can say between these two given fractions, isn't it? So this is how you would solve the given question, okay? Now the similar questions I am giving you for home, which you have to solve on your own, okay? If you have noted it down, let me raise this now. Now the question you write on the next question. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So again, LCM, denominators are not same. Again you have to take LCM of 2 and 3. Make the denominators same first. Then after you would multiply 5 by plus 1, that is by 6 then, okay? This is the question. Noted? Okay. Let me raise again. Now next question is, find 5 rational numbers between 2 by let me write some more there. It would be 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Okay, so these are 2 questions which you have to do on your own. Okay, just note it down. Now this is the next question for you. Question is 0 a rational number? So just tell me, is 0 a rational number? Rational number means the numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. So can you write this 0 in the form of p by q? Let's say we have 2. So we can write this 2 as 4 by 2. So I can write this 2 in the form of p by q. So 2 is a rational number. So can you write this 0 also in the form of p by q? Yes. I can write this 0 as 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is what? 0. Isn't it? I can write this as 0 by 3 also. This is also 0. So we can write 0 as also in the form of p by q. Hence 0 is also a rational number. That you would have to remember this. So answer would be what? Yes. Answer is what? Yes. 0 is a rational number. I can write 0 as 0 by 1. I can write it as 0 by 2, 0 by 3, whatever you want to write. Okay. Answer would be 0 in all the cases. Okay. Just note it down. Okay, that is all for today, and we'll be discussing some other questions in the upcoming lectures. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.